Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, my name is Muhammad Rafi Akmal from 10 DKV. So today I'm gonna do a Pecha Kucha presentation with the subject Turkey nation. Okay, so first is the flag. Okay, so this flag, the color is red and there's the symbol of the moon and stars, which colored is white. So the red color means actually in braveness. Red means braveness, but for this flag, it's represent of the blood of the soldiers that died during the independence war, which against the colonial powers. And red color also means the braveness and the courage and love for their country. Yes. And for the crescent, the moon, it is represent as a development of and the religious affiliation of the nation and its people.
So what is the religion?
Yes, and most of the because of the most Turkey religion is Islam, so it's present the moon. And for the star, it's represent as a guidance, or like the diversity of the Turkish culture. And actually this represent as the Ottoman Empire also. Yes. And the next one. Oh, blur. So this is the present president of Turkey right now. His name is Recep Tayyip Erdogan. He is a Turkish politician who is the 12th president of Turkey, and he previously served as a prime minister of the Turkey. He already worked since the 28th August 24. And he is also a mayor of Istanbul from 1994 to 1998. And then the next. It's actually HD in my laptop. So this is the Turkish currency. It's called the lira. Yes, the lira. This is the coin. The coin is 1 lira, and this is the money, the paper money.
So one lira.
So 1 lira is actually cost about 500 Indonesian rupiahs. 500. Yes. So this 200 paper is about 100,000 rupiah. Actually, Turkey is much cheaper than Indonesia, so their life in there not easy for us Indonesians. Okay, next. This is the what? Chevrotain, the name of the animal. It's called the chevrotain or mouse deer. Is it the one of the extinct species, which most of it found in Turkey or the Southeast Asia. And
Almost gone.
almost gone. One of the protected animal. I don't know why it's always become hunted. I mean, what?
Skin.
Probably, but I think there's others better. Okay. Next. And this is the food. So there's this is manti. This is manti. Manti is Turkish. This is all the traditional Turkish food, which is most iconic. The manti is a pastry stuffed with a yogurt sauce, and also known as the Turkish dumplings. And this is baklava. Baklava, a dessert made of layer of phyllo pastry and sweet syrup that dates like honey. That's like I don't know, honey or
Orange syrup.
wait, maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's also very popular back then in the Ottoman Empire. And this is the doner Turkish, which also can be found in Indonesian. The doner kebab is a popular dish made from meat cooked on the vertical rotisserie, the big what's it called where the meat is hang on the pole.
Rose.
Yeah, kind of roast. The big meat of
Guling.
yeah, like guling. And is this the rotating grilled meat? Then this is the ayran. Ayran is a traditional Turkish drink that made from yogurt, water, and salt. So just using a base ingredients, just difference of the making the method. And this drink has a fresh and sour taste.
So they.
Yeah, kind of soda, but it's a yogurt. It's have a lot of foams too. Okay, next. Now this is the.
University.
It's very not shady. Okay, HD. Okay, so this is the one of the best.
Tourism place.
No, it's a university.
University.
The best university in Turkish, which is Anadolu University. So Anadolu is known for the success for its verbal verbal fields such as history and the communication. Its faculty is the best in communication science in Turkey.
Oke, 8 menit. Ayo.
And for the rank, the ranked is ranked 14 for the liberal arts and science in Turkey and 1016 in the world. Next, and this is the most what is it called monument, yeah, most famous building in Turkey, which is the Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia first is a church. No, it was a church for the first time. Then when the Ottoman got conquered this Constantinople, it's turned to a mosque. Then in
It's denied again and then
it
becoming a mosque again.
yeah, in 2020 no, well, it become the museum.
Museum. Oh iya, museum.
Or 1935. 1935 it's become a museum. Then on 2020 it's become a mosque again.
When siapa? Presiden.
Who
Erdogan
Yeah, Erdogan. And this building is very famous when its era because it was the one of the greatest creation for the Constantinople. Okay, next. This is the one of the most important person in their history, in Turkey history, is Mehmet II,
Sultan Mehmed.
Sultan Mehmet, or also known as the Mehmet the Conqueror. And his achievement is the best of conquering the Constantinople, which has had the Hagia Sophia before, and it was the seventh Ottoman Empire Sultan, and one of the greatest. Okay, so this is the richest person in Turkey.
Turkey.
His name was Volker.
What?
Eh, Volker.
It's product. His product.
Yes, this is his products, which is most of it biscuits and chocolate. He become the chairmanship of the Yildiz Holding, and he made some big, what is it called? Big,
Investment
no, big
company.
expanding his business, which now
Idol.
his net worth is 5.2 billion US dollar, and the first richest person in Turkey. Okay, next.
Ini Indonesia bukan?
Hah?
Indonesia Atta ya?
No, the Aqua. Oh, yeah.
Skip.
Okay, so this is the most what's called famous products.
Trendy.
Ones of represent Turkey. We Indonesians used to import this. This is the yes Turkish rugs. Turkish rugs is a high quality carpet because it's use handspun wool and a silk that are much better than the cotton or wool cotton. And one of it, the lowest probably usually cost about $200, and for the highest is about 1,500 maybe $1,500. Okay, I think that's it for the Turkey. Baik Cakoca. See you guys and thank you.